अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाह। डियर व्यूवर्स, आज हम जो डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं दैट इज एक्सप्रेशन फॉर पोटेंशियल एनर्जी ऑफ एन इलास्टिक स्प्रिंग. So energy, what is the potential energy of the spring? The potential energy of a spring means an elastic spring is the energy associated with the state of compression or expansion of an elastic spring. So suppose we have an elastic spring in equilibrium position, the potential energy is zero. If this spring is compressed or it is expanded, this is the expanded view and this is the compressed view. So it possesses some energy. That energy is the potential energy in this compressed form or in this expanded form. This, what is the expression? We are going to derive the expression for this energy. So this potential energy is called potential energy of the spring. So then let us try to derive the expression for the potential energy of the spring, which is associated in its expanded form and the compressed form. जैसे ही इसको हम compress करते हैं तो it can do work. It is having some energy, so that it can do some work. Similarly, when it is stretched, compressed and stretched, in both the cases the energy is having some this spring is having some energy, and that is called the potential energy of the spring. Now how to find the expression for this potential energy of the spring. So consider we have a spring, a massless spring. With one end is fixed to a rigid support and a body of mass m one end of this spring is it is joined with a rigid support, and another end is at the another end we have a mass m, any body, any block of mass m, which can move on this frictionless plane. This plane is frictionless plane. Now this position of this block fixed to the spring, this is the equilibrium position. Let this be O. So this is the equilibrium position. At this stage the spring has no energy, so it remains static. If we stretch it to a certain distance x, now this block is stretched, this is expanded, this is expanded and through a certain length and reaches distance x. और जितना हम इसको खींचते हैं by applying a force, external force F, applying external force F, तो जितना ये दूर दूर हो जाता है, जितना इसको हम दूर लेते हैं, तो जो एक्स्ट्रा फोर्स हमें लगाने की जरूरत पड़ती है, जितना हम इसको एलोंगेट करते हैं इतना इसमें एक्सटर्नल फोर्स की जरूरत होती है. दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ जितना ये दूर होता है, जो रेस्टोरिंग फोर्स होता है वो इंक्रीज हो जाता है, और एक्सटर्नल फोर्स इज इक्वल टू द रेस्टोरिंग फोर्स. सो दिस एक्सटर्नल फोर्स और रेस्टोरिंग फोर्स, दिस इज इक्वल ऑलवेज प्रोपोर्शनल टू द डिस्टेंस. जितना हम इसको दूर लेते हैं उतना ज्यादा फोर्स लेने की जरूरत है. सो दिस फोर्स इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू this displacement of the spring, that is F is directly proportional to x. और जो F external होता है, F external that is equal to minus F restoring force. वो opposite और equal and opposite to restoring force होता है. Now we say this F, whether it is इन मैग्नीट्यूड बोथ द फोर्सेस आर सेम, सो एक्सटर्नल फोर्स उतना ही हमें ज्यादा लगाना पड़ता है जितना इसकी डिस्टेंस दूर होती है. सो मीन्स F इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू X, और वी मे से F इज इक्वल टू KX. Why is K is constant of proportionality? This Hooke's law, constant of proportionality. Known as spring constant. Okay. Now, if this block, which we have stretched to position X, is further displaced it is further displaced through an infinitesimal displacement dx. So the work done will be equal to that is dw. In displacing the body so small length dx, that will be equal to F dx. From first, this F is equal to Kx. So this means dw is equal to Kx dx. Now, if this block attached to the spring that is moved from equilibrium to some arbitrary length r, so what is the energy possessed by the spring? So that will be obtained by integrating these equations from equilibrium, that is O, to R. So total work done will be equal to integrating dw, that is 0 to R, or integration of 0 to R Kx dx. Or we may say work done is equal to K is a constant, so this is X dx. Lower limit is 0 and upper limit is R. For this W is equal to K, integrating X with respect to X, that will be X square by 2 from 0 to R. Or W is equal to K, this will be R square, K by 2, R square minus 0, or W is equal to K R square by 2. This work done is stored here in the spring in the form of potential energy, that is U is equal to 1/2 of K R square. This is the expression for potential energy of an elastic spring. Thanks.